The moment a major audit fails or a critical operational process breaks down, a very specific kind of panic sets in. Management pulls the emergency lever. They hire a team of external consulting experts to parachute in, diagnose the failure, and tell everyone exactly how to fix it. These teams arrive equipped with sophisticated language and complex frameworks. Weeks later, they hand over a large invoice along with a binder full of dense recommendations. It creates a comforting illusion of progress. Paying for an exhaustive report feels like solving the problem, even if the underlying work hasn't changed. But down on the floor, the internal employees are stuck. They act as finders, people who know how to spot problems, raise red flags, and fill out compliance forms, but who lack the practical mechanics to actually solve the root issues. So, when the external experts pack up and leave, the company is left staring at hundreds of pages of abstract theory that the internal team simply doesn't know how to implement. The system naturally decays. The next audit cycle rolls around, the exact same operational gaps reappear, and the company has no choice but to call the consultants right back. This loop is profitable for large consultancies. When the solutions remain complex, the client remains dependent on the firm to explain them. Concentric builds every engagement around a permanent capability transfer. We focus on taking the people already inside your business, the finders, and training them to become fixers. We want employees who can independently identify what needs attention and improve the process themselves. We achieve this by replacing abstract theory with practical architecture. We give your team simple, usable tools they can actually apply in their daily work. Consulting should focus on teaching a team to solve their own systemic problems, removing the need for perpetual outside reliance. To replace those dense binders, we equip teams with a usable toolkit known as the 12 Tools methodology. Efficiency gains occur when you combine simple, practical systems with strong internal skills. This principle of transferring capability scales across every level of our work, well beyond floor-level problem solving. When we build custom certification courses or deploy full learning management systems, we are hardwiring this practical training into the company's permanent infrastructure. We apply that same philosophy of clarity to high-stakes operational due diligence. From a single strategy workshop to a massive management system design, the mechanism remains the same. Give people the practical means to do the work themselves. When a concentric engagement ends, the systems are simpler and the foundational work is stronger. The next audit cycle rolls around, but the panic is gone. Audits are no longer stressful events because the internal team has already closed the gaps. The team stops waiting for external permission. They possess the tools to update an audit schedule or correct a process map themselves, shifting the focus from simply finding problems to actually improving the business. Business transformation is the result of equipping the people doing the work, rather than delivering elaborate presentations to executives. Our success is defined by engineered obsolescence. After an engagement, your company is in a stronger position because you need us less, not more. Turning finders into fixers is the practical mechanism that allows a business to break the cycle of dependency and own its future.